Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making the network and devices ready. Connect both the laptop and target screen to the same Wi-Fi. Once done, pick 4 GHz or 5 GHz and stay consistent. Next, open your laptop's display settings. Choose Cast, Project, AirPlay, or Miracast depending on your OS. Make sure the target device's mirroring mode is on and discoverable. You're not just toggling options, you're creating the connection path the laptop will use to send video and audio to the other display. You now establish the live connection. From the laptop's Cast or Project menu, pick the target display and accept any pairing prompts. If a PIN appears, enter it on the laptop. Once connected, change resolution and scaling so text and UI elements appear sharp on the external screen. Decide whether to duplicate the laptop display or extend it as a second screen. Then switch the laptop's audio output to the mirrored device so sound follows the picture. These steps fix alignment, clarity, and audio routing. You're at the finish line. Confirm everything is stable. Check for audio sync and visual lag. If you notice latency, lower the resolution or move nearer the router to reduce interference. If the connection drops, restart the laptop and the target device and re-enable the wireless display driver in Device Manager or System Settings. As a reliable fallback, use an HDMI or USB-C cable to mirror immediately. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices and retry pairing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.